Listen, heightened concern in one's health and security, loss of motivation for physical labor, neglecting the rules and duties, general discouragement. Oh my God, this is deep. Ways of countering. Okay, do y'all see this? The demon. Let's click right here. There are several documented ways of combating this demon. Do y'all see this? I'm sorry, hold on. One of which being tears. Tears were seen in Eastern tradition as an acknowledgement of one needs of a savior. It is good to cry. I'm always crying, okay? I cry about everything. This tactic is seen as an exact opposite of the lack of care. And when you cry, don't you know when you cry tears, you counteract that demon? Do you listen? I'm giving y'all strategy right here.